So here in the Ashton Woods community of Spring Branch, Bulverde, this is one of the homes, the Pecos, and this is the other one. I don't remember the name, the Saba. So this community is being built up back there behind me. So here's the preserve at Singing Hills by Ashton Woods on a map. It is only 22 miles north of the San Antonio airport. So it's also right next to Walmart, the H-E-B, a Hampton Inn. So a really good area near good schools. So I'm going to take y'all on a quick drive around the neighborhood. So I just went left out of the model homes, and it makes up a complete circle. There's a couple little U-turns around the area that branch out into different branches of the neighborhood, but it makes one big large circle that you can come around and then come back to the beginning of the neighborhood where the model homes are at. So take a look around and let's keep going. And so that's it for this tour. So if you have any questions or want to see any other communities, reach out, give me a call, give me a text, email, go to my website, however it is you want to reach me. Let's connect.